is heavily guarded by the culprit. Bomber barracks with aerodynamic swordplay. Poison darts by the doorway. Minds that's laced with explosive doses. Damaging the launcher. Danger the youth offender, the ninja. Any contender. Testing a murderous master.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get the ears like a tracker. Get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking dage.
Morning guys, and welcome back to another Matsuri. This is the Spring 2022 Matsuri. So keen to be here, very last minute, but we made it out here. It's the sticker for this year, and this year the S13 has had a fresh respray. It's white. It is completely white. I don't know if you've seen the last episode. If you didn't, go check it out. I did like a little reveal video. The car is looking absolutely immaculate. Like it's never had good paint before, so really freaking cool. Stay to the end of the video to see if it stays this white for the whole day. I'm pretty sure it's not. They've gotten rid of the tyre barriers, so I'm very excited about that, as amongst everyone here is pretty much talking about how excited they are and how happy they are that the track officials have decided to remove them. So, see some skids, pretty keen. Got this new gazebo thing, got a bit of a setup going, and yeah, let's hope for good weather and just a bloody good time. If anyone's out here, come say hey. I'll see you guys, and like, comment, subscribe to the video. Let's go.
Yeah, we're not too far off from releasing these albums. Yeah, tell them motherfuckers go ahead and play it. Homie, we made it. Line up my old bitches, believe that we dated. I call out my homies, we leaving for Vegas. They come back with triple, we flip what we making. The shit is amazing, but no it ain't front. I made a request for whatever I want. You make a reserve and just hope it ain't gone. The shit is a shame, I just live with my coins. I carry the team, I feel pain in my joints. I'm speaking the truth, but I don't get the point. I'm bringing the issues, you don't want that noise. I don't want to dish you, attack at your boy. But shit, if I had to, it's gonna be a murder scene. I'm about even you fucking with hurting me. Y'all sound the same, you a cloning your verses. We ain't no contest, even if it's y'all versus me. Bitch, I'm on Burgundy. Yeah, now God put the verse in me. Now my sound like Hercules. The way I be burning these. I'm Gaia, the earth in me. I'm Wyatt, I'm serving fiends. Cause I got the hurt in me. And I'ma keep giving it to it.
Believe it, I'm only 6 deep with the demons. They call out my name cause I've seen it. Scratching for pennies, the fiends. They couldn't try getting between us. Watching me build.
Oh, sick. So they got cones out here now. And so they got cones out where all the tyres used to be, and there's new like strict rules on what you can and can't do. Obviously, if you hit the cones, you're in shit, and you get a warning. And then if you hit them a second time, you got to go do the driver's brief again. You lose your armband. You hit them a third time, you get banned from big track, and you have to go back over to the small track for the whole day. So I think they're being pretty considerate, and it's like if you hit the tyres and you take off your foot off the gas and you just roll through the grass, I think they're okay with that because everyone like comes off every now and then. But if you're like come off on the dirt and you're just like gunning it and you're just making a mess of the track and you're being a dickhead like I was that time, then yeah, you're gonna be in shit. So hopefully no one wrecks it, and yeah, this is a trial run, so hopefully everyone yeah, does the right thing. Oh shit, look, there's Xavier. He's got the pink car out. Xavier, if you haven't seen on his TikTok, he's bloody got that thing forged now. Yeah, hopefully in the future he can tune it up, change a couple of things, make some really good power. I'm starting to get really excited, hey, like fucking sick, man, sick. Alright, let's go get in the car and do some heat cycling on the tyres, because I don't have that many tyres here. Also, forgot to mention, just over the back here, they got the drift playground layout. So it's a new track, a complete new track over here. They've gotten rid of the short track and they've replaced it with this. It's like a complete massive tarmac area over there. It'd actually be cool if I had the drone here so I can show you like an aerial shot, but there's all different layouts that they set up with cones and barriers and whatnot. It's really cool. So at some stage, hopefully I'll get out there, do a couple laps, but I have a feeling that it will destroy your tires because it's like Archfield, just constant drifting and no stopping. So, but yeah, keen to go have a go over there as well. But right now, I can put my boots on and do some skids.
going for a drive?
Leaf in here. There's a leaf here. What the heck? Get rid of that. So, I went out and did a few laps. I've been trying to do this heat cycling thing with the tyres to get them to last longer. So you let the tyres down, you go out, do like 2 or 3 laps and get them hot, and then that temperature will go, like the pressure will go up in the tyres, and then you're distracting me, Enzo. The pressure will go up in the tyres, and you come in, you change those tyres over with another fresh set, and then do the same thing over and over, and then while the other ones are cooling down, I don't know what actually happens, someone probably knows in the comments, but it makes your tyres last longer, and that sounds good to me. So I'm going to give that a go. So far so good. Car's running mint. I've only got one issue. Can't poke the screen. I've only got one issue, and that's like at full lock, my front right tyre is touching the tie rod, so that's like not ideal, but the tie rod is so strong that it's peeling away a strip of the tyre, like the wheel, the rim, the aluminium rim is just like getting shaven down. It's just shaving it all off, which isn't ideal, but it's not the end of the world. And the wheel alignment's a little bit different, so I'm just getting used to that. I started doing Scando flick again, so that's freaking cool. And yeah, so now I just need to work on my entries, hopefully get in the tandem lane, because it's quite busy out there. They've got like this VIP freaking line, and there's like 3 people here with VIP tickets that I've seen, and it looks like worth every cent, hey? Like they just go around, they do like 4 laps in the time I get 1 lap. Like, even the tandem lane's pretty slow. The guys coordinating it is like their first event, so they're trying to like learn what's best for them as well. And the last people definitely did it a lot faster. Like, so hopefully tomorrow they've figured that out and then get the lines moving a lot faster. But yeah, so pretty cool. Everyone's coming up and loving the colour, which is awesome. And I don't know if we're gonna sell it or not, but what do you reckon?
I mean, it looks pretty cool now, so.
Yeah. So Zara and Enzo came to see me, which is freaking cool because I was missing them. And Enzo's got his favourite. What do you got, Enzo?
Blueberry.
You got your gherkins? He loves the gherkins and blueberries and steak, strawberries and watermelon. That's all his favourites. So. What do you reckon, Enzo? Pretty cool race car? You gonna take the wheels off for me?
It's a heavy one.
You got it? Okay, so it might be a bit dark, the sun's going down at the moment, but Zara's coming out. First time in like of course they sound the music up. First time in like freaking ages, hey?
Yeah.
So long. First time leaving Enzo with someone else.
Thank you to Samara.
Yeah.
I've never left Enzo with anyone, but I trust Samara, and I said that to her. I said, me and James always said we would trust Samara.
Yeah, thank you, Samara. Alright, let's go do some speed. I didn't really wrap up the episode yesterday because time got away from me. It's always like freaking time traveling here at Matsuri. Hey, it's just like, it's the morning, next minute it's freaking night time. So S18 went exceptionally well, like fully sick. The wheel alignment's a lot more snappy now, so I had to get used to that. Pretty much took the whole day to figure that out, but I've got it pretty well sorted now. I just have to be a little bit quicker on all my movements with the steering wheel, but I think that's because of the extra camber that I have at the front. I've had this before on the car and I didn't like it, and I changed it back, and I was like blaming that for my driving. But now I'm like at the point where I'm like kind of thinking like, if someone else can drive a car with no wheel alignment and they just keep sending it for years and years and not giving a shit about the wheel alignment, they drive just fine, I should be able to adapt and actually drive it good no matter what. So that was my approach there. The front wheels on full lock on the inside, they hit the lower, or the tie rods, which is shaving off the aluminium on the wheel, which is not good, but it's not the end of the world. It's on the thread where it's not really going to matter. But anyway, other than that, S18's just been going and going. Got like multiple laps in and still on the same set of tires, believe it or not. Believe it or not, I've never had this good tire wear before, and I'm pretty sure it's from doing that heat cycling, and also a little bit of me not doing turn 2, because turn 2 does just heat up your tires so much and bake them. So without doing that, it's definitely saved the tires a lot. Like I'm only on the first set, it's unbelievable. I do need to go get some more fuel though, because I'm going to run out today, and that's about it. Just sent it all day and all night. It was really good. Yeah, so stay tuned for day 2, which is actually today. It rained overnight, there's freaking puddles everywhere, so yeah, might be some wet skids, but it looks like it probably won't rain again, not sure. But I'll see you guys on that episode. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for sticking to the end. If you did make it this far in the video, just drop a comment, tell me what you think of the S18 white paint. A lot of people thought that I got a new car, which is pretty funny because that's how much of a transformation it is. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys with the positive comments and coming and saying hello yesterday. It's always pretty cool when you guys come check out the car and admiring. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and yeah, I'll see you guys on day 2. Let's go. Dad's tools. Thank you. Wow. It's shiny. Where's the other one? There's one missing. Got it. Found it. Yeah, Dad's tools. Perfect.